Hello everyone, this is Rima, clinical dietitian, nutritionist and your well-wisher. From last few months, life across the globe has been drastically changed. We all are facing pandemic situation. Fear also defining it as a bio war or a bioterror. There is a pool of information available related to COVID-19 on social media as well as the mainstream media. It's not that we never had any kind of virus or epidemics before, but COVID 19 has certainly gained an extraordinary popularity, all thanks to social media, mainstream media, and easy access to information. But unfortunately, in spite of this easy access of information, it's not bringing us much good. Every individual is in a state of fear and stress. So if you really want to bring this situation in your favor, then the very first thing we all need to do is to accept the change. And if you really analyze at what kind of change our life is expecting from us, then it's just that we have to go back to our roots. So if you are ready to accept the change, then definitely you can overcome the situation in a more wiser and more peaceful manner. Apart from acceptance, there is one more thing which you really need to understand is that till the time you are in a state of fear, you are keeping your body in flight and fight mode. Now, in spite of chugging all sort of supplements and eating best of the homemade food, if your body is in a flight and fight mode, you are not able to absorb anything out of it. So you have to train your mind, you have to inculcate such practices where you have to learn to keep yourself stress free and you have to overcome your fear, because the moment you overcome your fear, the moment you are in a you are in a stress free state, you will immediately induce your body in a rest and digest mode, and that's the time when your body can actually bring favor to you, and that's the time you can actually bring a healthy body. So to really overcome the situation, acceptance and overcoming your fear are the basic two key factors you have to keep in your mind. Apart from this, in terms of your diet, I advise you to keep it very simple. Just try to have a very local seasonal food. Try to add lot of variations in your diet and eat very simple and a healthy homemade food. Try to incorporate a very balanced diet which is covering all your macros and micros in terms of your good fats, complex carbohydrates, some good clean lean protein, vitamins and minerals. If you are making sure that you are eating a balanced meal, then you really don't need to take those extra supplements, because this is something I'm getting a query on day-to-day basis. Should we start taking vitamin C? Should we start taking vitamin D tablets or zinc or magnesium? Well, there is no harm. If you really want to add some extra supplements in your diet, you can definitely take advice of your nutritionist or your physician, and you can definitely take a moderate amount of supplements. But then until and unless you are not ensuring that you are eating a balanced diet, it's not going to make much difference in your health. One more factor which I observe is that like every individual is in the close surrounding nowadays, but then you really need to understand, like if you talk about vitamin D is a very important source for your immune functioning. So, and if you talk about vitamin D, then sun is important source to get vitamin D in your system. So if you are all the time in a closed environment, if you're not coming in contact with the nature, if you're not going out and exposing your body in a sunlight, if you're not taking fresh air, then definitely you are going to compromise your immunity. Lockdown does not mean that you have to be in the four walls all the time. There's always a way out. You just have to figure it out at how you can actually come close to the nature. So you have to be in the outside environment as well. because it's very important for your immune functioning and for your healthy body. And apart from this healthy diet, your sleep is again a very important factor. Nowadays people are, since they are working from home, so they are following a very random kind of schedules, or this extra fear or extra stress is actually compromising the quality of the sleep they are getting. So you again have to make sure that you are giving enough rest to your body, and you are giving a quality sleep to your body. And apart from the sleep, exercise is definitely one more factor which you cannot neglect. But then here, like, a lot of people are doing over exercising also, so that's not the idea. Life is not a rat race. This is the first lesson which we are getting. So you have to have a very balanced kind of lifestyle, where you are exercising, you are going in outside environment, close to the nature, you are walking in a very balanced manner. So overall, health is a very holistic approach, where you have to make you have to inculcate all the factors in a very balanced manner. And apart from this, like, nowadays our entire life is shifted in front of the screen, and this is again impacting our immunity, because the blue lights and the radiations which you get from the screen it's definitely affecting your quality of your sleep, and your it's increasing the stress hormones in your body. Wherever it's possible, cut down those extra screen hours also. So if you really want to overcome the situation, then you have to take care of all these factors. Just by chugging vitamin C or vitamin D or zinc, you cannot deal with this pandemic. So this pandemic is basically turning point for all of us, where we have to transform our lives in a very holistic manner and accept the change. So stay healthy, stay safe.